Yo, look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. It's going crazy, guys. It's going crazy. So listen, guys. This is the trick. This is how you're going to make money for real, with strategy. You know what I'm saying? This strategy, guys, is killer. For real, trust me. You know what I'm saying? So this is how I do it. This is how I flip my money. You know what I'm saying? You can see now we're in a profit of 343 US dollars. You know what I'm saying? So no cap. And you saw everything from the beginning. So make sure you subscribe. This channel right here, guys, is gonna change your life. Trust me. Subscribe, join the free Telegram group, join the team. Let's go make money, man. You know what I'm saying? And if you wanna keep excuses is not gonna give you this money. For real. Never. I'm gonna buy this currency now because I'm done giving the signal to my team. Let's go. So guys, as you can see here, we got NSDK right here in the building, you know what I'm saying? And you can see, guys, that it's on a level 8, which is time to buy this currency. So crazy, you know what I'm saying? So if you don't know how to use this strategy, I already explained over and over how you can make money using this strategy right here. So at the same time, you buy the market once the moving averages, this moving averages right here, they reach at the level 8 right here. Then you buy all the way to level 90. And once the market reach level 90, it's gonna drop all the way to level 80. So now, guys, I'm gonna take my opportunities right now. I'm doing this, guys, to show you how I take trades using this mobile strategy right here. So I'm gonna buy this currency right now because it's ready to be taken, right? 31. This is my favorite one. And I say, so I'm gonna buy right now. As you can see, guys, I'm buying. And I say, guys, I'm doing these things, guys, with you just to show you how I do it so that you guys can be able to do the same as I do. You know what I'm saying? And start earning from it. So you can see, guys, now we already take up our opportunities. So let's wait. I was already take this one AUDK as well. And now, yeah, let's wait, guys. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait. You know what I'm saying? But we hope that we're going to make it, guys. We're going to make it, which means since the market is already at the strong buy, we're expecting to kill the market from here, from this point here, all the way. This is going to be the TP1, this one right here, and the second TP, guys, is going to be will be this one right here. You can see the second zone right here. Let me just draw so that you guys can be able to see everything. And I say, you know, guys, you know me and you guys, I don't want to confuse you guys. You know what I'm saying? I want to make sure everybody understand the conversation. You know what I'm saying? Here is going to be the second take profit right here. But as soon as the market reach this point here, let me show you. As soon as the market reach break out at this point right here, I'm just gonna shift my stop loss inside the profit. All right, I'm gonna shift my stop loss inside the profit. So this is how I do it, guys. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you do the right things. You know what I'm saying? And if you does the right things with my strategies, the strategies that you see on this channel, they're going to make you money in a forex market. You're not gonna believe it. You know what I'm saying? Guys, no cap. Everything I do, guys, is everything I'm showing you. You know what I'm saying? I have no secret, guys, to hide to you because I wanna see you guys making. And I really wanna thank this who always sending me their result, like, yo, Juba, thank you, you changed my life. Now I'm starting seeing the profit. You know what I'm saying? You know, I've been losing for for a while, but now ever since I started using your strategies, I make money, you know what I'm saying? So I really appreciate that you guys show love back to me, you know what I'm saying? That makes me do more best for you guys, you know what I'm saying? Because I do more best for you guys because I'm good by my own, you know. But I just want to share the information, you know what I'm saying, so that everybody can be able to do something by him or herself, you know. So yes sir, that's how it is. So guys, I'll be out, guys, for some few minutes. Then I'm gonna be back, guys, after we make something. If goes to the profit, guys, I'll come back to you guys and show you can see we still in a negativity. We're still in a negative. So let's wait. As soon as we hit the profit, guys, I'll come back and show you guys what we made from the trade. You know what I'm saying? And if we couldn't make it, you know, it is how it is, man. But if you're new to the channel, man, make sure you subscribe and like the video for your boy, you know what I'm saying, so that the video can be able to reach other people and help them out there. You know, everybody, man, needs some help. Everybody, man, needs some, you know, some information in order to reach somewhere, you know what I'm saying? So if you couldn't click that like button below, it won't be able to reach them, you know what I'm saying? So click the like button and subscribe if you're new. And if you wish to join the free Telegram group, the link is always on the description below, right? So guys, peace out, man. See you once we back to check the result. All right. Yo, I'm back, guys. I'm back, guys. As you can see, guys, we're now getting to the profit. And guys, as you can see here, the market is now starting going up, which we're expecting to kill all the way to this point, guys. You know what I'm saying? So guys, this is how the strategy works. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, we now start pushing so hard in the profit. So guys, if you really don't know how to use this strategy in proper way, I hope now you can see how I do. This is how I use the strategy. If you've been watching this video from the beginning and up to the end, I hope you saw how I take the entry. I hope you saw the reasons that makes me take the entry, you know what I'm saying? So this is how I do it, and make sure you do the same as well, you know what I'm saying? As you can see, guys, here, as you can see here, this is going to be my first take profit right here. This one is going to be my first take profit right here, and you can see my stop loss, guys. I just put my stop loss. It's just somewhere around here, something about maybe 20 pips, only 20 pips, you know what I'm saying? Only 20 pips. And this is going to be my first take profit, and my last take profit is gonna be right here, which is going to be something about 1 to 6. All right. My risk is only one ratio to make 6 ratios. So this is how you do it, guys. If you take the risk of 20 pips, you must expect to make 100 pips or 8 pips. This is how you use your proper risk management. So guys, I hope you enjoying, guys, the video. Guys, I do everything I do, guys, to show you how you can be able, guys, to make money with my strategies without no confused thing. Guys, remember, I don't want to confuse you. I want you guys to understand everything. And if you got any question, feel free to leave the comment below, you know what I'm saying? And please like the video, you know what I'm saying, because I do everything I do, guys, just to make sure you guys stay with the good to make sure you guys stay with the good information, you know what I'm saying? I try my best, I share with you guys the strategy, and then I show you guys the result for the strategy, you know what I'm saying? And you can see, guys, this is the strategies that I love. I'm using them over and over, because the strategy, guys, is not about having too many strategies. you can just pick one strategy of your choice, you know what I'm saying, and then you use it over and over and over. This is where you're going to be able to see the result from the strategy. Don't just use the strategy today and then you throw it tomorrow, you pick another one. No, that's not gonna work for you. Use same strategy, pick one of your choice. I have a lot of strategies in my channel. Pick one strategy of your choice, then use it over and over. And please don't forget to share the the result with me. You can send me the message on Telegram. Let me know how much the strategy is working for you. So guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, guys, and if you want to join the free Telegram group so that you can be able to join our team, it's up to you. The link is always in the description below. You can join and then you come to me, you send me the message on Telegram, yo, I want to join the team, you know what I'm saying. It's like that, and then we do this thing together, you know what I'm saying. Every single opportunity that you see, I take it with my team. Before I take my one, I always make sure I give to my team, because I know that they also want to make money same as I do, you know what I'm saying. So don't be left behind. Make sure you join the team. Let's make this money. Peace, guys. I'm out. Do the right things. All right, stay safe and use proper risk management, because that's the most thing that's gonna help you reach where you wanna be. So peace, guys. Peace out. I'm preparing, guys, to give you guys the strategy for the news. You guys been requesting the strategy for the news. As you know, guys, today we got NFP news, you know, so expect to kill it. So let's get ready. Yo, look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. It's going crazy, guys. It's going crazy. So listen, guys, this is the trick. This is how you're going to make money for real with strategy. You know what I'm saying? This strategy, guys, is killer. For real, trust me. You know what I'm saying? So this is how I do it. This is how I flip my money. You know what I'm saying? You can see now we're in a profit of $343 US dollars. You know what I'm saying? So no cap, and you saw everything from the beginning. So make sure you subscribe. This channel right here, guys, is gonna change your life. Trust me. Subscribe, join the free Telegram group, join the team. Let's go make money, man. You know what I'm saying? And if you wanna keep excuses is not gonna give you this money. For real, never. So I'm out. Peace.